another area on your radar is the emerging market. So let's take a look at the EEM iShares Emerging Markets ETF. What are you seeing here? Because at first glance, it doesn't really look like it's done a whole lot lately, but could that change?
Well, it's finally captured some short-term momentum, and in doing so, it's actually climbed above a year-long downtrend line that if you take a step back on the chart, it looks like a big triangle formation that's now being resolved to the upside, which is the direction of the prevailing trend before it was established. So lower highs, higher lows, there's the triangle. You see the breakout above the downtrend line, and it's a fairly high probability setup where you tend to see upside follow through, and this would be months in nature, not just weeks in nature in terms of the implications. So I think it bodes well for emerging markets, not necessarily to be a source of great leadership globally, although there are some signs of life as the dollar has pulled back there, but rather to finally participate in what I think is a global rally.
Right, and maybe look at this area as being able to not have that home bias, and being able to diversify in other areas that could be strengthening.
Well, it's a testament to the global breadth behind the move. So we do want to see broad participation, not just here in the U.S., but also globally, and that really enhances the sustainability of the uptrend. We're already seeing breakouts in overseas markets like the German DAX as one great example of that, and these aren't necessarily new all-time highs, but we are seeing those breakouts, and I think we'll start to see even some spreading out of the rally to things like small caps, other areas that had underperformed.
So it seems like the message then at the end of the day, at least for the time being, is a lot brighter of a picture than all of the uncertainty and volatility that had been really dominating the markets.
I think it's a relief of that trading range to the upside, and of course that does make it a more clear picture ahead from a technical perspective if indeed these breakouts are confirmed, which it looks like even if it doesn't happen this week, it probably will happen. And we do have some positive seasonal influences underway potentially in Q4, so it bodes well for that as well.